people they confuse with the siphon system and gravity system. Gravity system just take the water from the low place to the up place to the high place. But for the siphon system, it's so a little different because it take the water from the high place to the low place. Right? Don't forget about this. Okay. And this. So standing high here because air pressure. Stop the air when you come back from the end of the pipe, and then make pressure to pull it back. Make sure it cannot go into this main drum. If have any air is going to this main drum, our project cannot success. We will fail, right? We will fail. Don't forget about this. When you set up, when you follow my project, this video, please don't forget use the air pressure like this, right? And otherwise, as you can see here, I use the input pipe with a 34 millimeter, right? It's not the same pipe. For the output pipe, this is a 60 millimeter different, right? But the end of the output pipe, I use the same size with 34 millimeter collinear with collinear, right? Because it if the end of the output pipe bigger than input pipe, our project cannot succeed, cannot process. Okay, right now let's go to see how does it work. Okay, then now you can see here, I use the valve check here to open and close during the need water or not, right? Okay, how does it work? But my right here you can see it's so big, right? So we need of water. But the first time I use the electric, no electric, just a machine, electric machine, use the gasoline to process to take water from my right here. But I have to spend a lot of money to buy the gasoline because right now you know in the world crisis, right? Crisis of the economy, it a lot of price. It's also price up. So right now, okay, I use okay, we open this one, two, three. Well, you can see here, right? It's the water is flow, but it's not strong and not much. But it can, if you need it, don't need to close like this. It's not strong, but it's non-stop, 24 hours per day. It now you can leave it and then you give it again. Okay. Thank you. You have to pay attention to listen my